Hi everyone, I thought I'd do some tapping today on wouldn't it be wonderful if? Because sometimes, we start trying to manifest things, but mostly what we're doing is focusing on what we want while a part of us is fighting, saying we can't have it or it's not good for us. So we ended up with that conflict between us. So part of us wants us to have something, parts of us think it's not good for us to have something. And we end up with that battle going on inside us, that internal conflict. And that means that all the energy is going from side to side rather than taking us to where we want to go to. And one way to get through that is to focus on what it is you want and to tap while saying, wouldn't it be wonderful if? So wouldn't it be wonderful if I attracted wonderful people into my life? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I have the perfect clients for me? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I attract abundance from surprising sources? And when you're saying, wouldn't it be wonderful if, there's no part of you can argue with that, because it would be wonderful if that happened. And the part of you that's going, but it can't, doesn't actually have to say that, because you're not saying it is, you're saying it would be wonderful if it did. So wouldn't it be wonderful if, whatever it is you want, means that every part of you can agree on that. It would be wonderful. So the energy is focused on what it is that you do want, taking you forwards. So I just thought we'd do a bit of quick tapping on wouldn't it be wonderful if? And then you can carry it on when I've finished with all the things that you want in your life. So, wouldn't it be wonderful if? Sorry, I forgot to say, tapping on the karate point. And if you tap with me, you're taking responsibility for your own well-being. So, wouldn't it be wonderful if abundance flows to me easily? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I attract loving and supportive people into my life? Wouldn't it be wonderful if the work I do is joyful and fulfilling and financially, financially rewarding? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I found new ways to attract the things that I want in my life? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I found myself open to so many new possibilities that take me to where I want to go? Wouldn't it be wonderful if my life is easier than I ever imagined was possible? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I experienced so much love and joy and happiness in my life? Wouldn't it be wonderful if things flowed really easily for me? Wouldn't it be wonderful if my intuition guided me beautifully? Wouldn't it be wonderful if I was open to receiving inspiration? And all of those things are possible. Wouldn't it be wonderful? Wouldn't it be wonderful? It would be wonderful. It would be wonderful. It would be wonderful. Wouldn't it be wonderful if all parts of me worked for my highest good? it would be wonderful. And I'm sure you'll be able to come up with a million different things you would like to be attracting that you think would be wonderful. So I'd love to hear about them and how you get on with this. And yeah, have fun playing with it. I find it's really useful to play. When you're trying to create something, trying to attract something, playing with it is the way to go. So have fun, and I'm sure I'll see you again soon. Bye.